Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking the grain. Decide the single level each fact row will represent, because everything hinges on that choice. Once done, list the numeric measures you will store and identify exactly which dimensions each measure needs. Make sure to include the foreign key columns for time, product, customer, and any operational keys. This early clarity prevents late joins and aggregation errors. It also guides how many dimension tables you will create and what keys they must expose. Next, you build each dimension so it cleanly describes the facts. Define surrogate integer primary keys, then populate attributes that are used for slicing and filtering. Once you model attributes, choose a slowly changing dimension approach. Overwrite for SCD1 when history isn't needed, or SCD2 with effective dates when you must track changes. Make sure dimensions are conformed across fact tables so you can join facts consistently. And verify attribute cardinality to finish by wiring the fact table to each dimension using the surrogate keys you created and populate facts with validated foreign keys. Then, optimize. Partition large fact tables, add targeted indexes, and consider pre-built aggregate tables for common rollups. Run representative queries to test joins, aggregation correctness, and slowly changing dimension behavior. If results differ from expectations, check key mismatches and attribute versions first. Missing surrogate lookups or wrong grain are the most common sources of errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.